Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will show you how to create gauge charts in Power BI. A gauge chart looks like a car speedometer showing values from the lowest to the highest with an indicator for a specific value. So let's get started. You are going to choose a gauge chart from the section Visualizations. As you can see that I have added the gauge chart in my report. Now I am going to choose sales as my numeric data field. That's it. That's how easy it was to create a gauge chart. Now you can customize the gauge chart according to your preferences. So to customize a gauge chart, you have to go in Format Your Visual option. Under the gauge axis, you will see three options: minimum, maximum and target. So we are going to choose our sum of sales target to 15 million that we want to achieve in a year. So that's how you are going to put your numerical value. And as you can see that I have chosen a target value for 15 million for my sales. That's it. You can also customize the colors of the gauge chart according to your theme in your customization criteria. That's it. That's how easy it was to create and customize a gauge chart in Power BI. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll try to answer as soon as I can. If this video helped you, please subscribe, comment or like. It really motivates us to create more content for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.